Hello, so I'm Grant from Maker's Vlog, and a bit of a strange one for you. I want to talk about language. Now, this might sound strange given a lot of my previous videos, but as some of you might know, I am quite a big fan of radio, and through radio you communicate with a lot of different people and there's a lot of different dialects. Now, it's not an issue on radio. Everyone seems to accept that people say things differently in different countries, and that's just the way that it is. But I was talking about this with a friend, and I thought, you know what, I'll do a quick video on it, because you see them mostly online, people who correct grammar Nazis, if you will. And there are also another type, I like to call them verbal Vikings. And yes, that I know that sounds cool, but that's a bad term. Believe me, Vikings were bad. And these are the people who would go, oh, actually it's pronounced, aluminum or lever or lever or aluminium or solder or whatever, and they correct someone's specific dialect. And these two groups, the big thing that they forget is what language is for. Its main thing. What is the purpose of language? It's to communicate. It's to pass on what I want to express to someone else. Now you see it with grammar Nazis and verbal Vikings. They turn around and say, oh, actually you should have said this. This is what that was wrong. This is what you should have said. This is what you meant. They've missed the point. Because yes, that might not be how you might have said something, but you knew what they meant and you understood enough to correct them. Now there are, believe me, I've seen messages, emails, especially on social media, and you look at the post and you go, what the fuck are they saying? And you've no idea. God, it's nonsense. That's fair enough. But you can't correct that. You can't turn around and say, oh, actually you meant this, because you didn't understand it. If you understood it enough to correct it, well then their words were correct. You knew what they meant. You knew the message that they were trying to get across. So it's not wrong. As far as language is concerned, it might be different to your dialect, but it's never wrong. So there you go. Little point about language. If you understood what they said, it was the right thing to say.